In this video, we are going to go over a couple things you can do for neck mobility if you're having pain through the upper traps, the jaw, the neck, the mid-back, any of those things. So we're just going to go through a short little flow that you can use to work on opening up the mobility through the neck, okay? So the first thing I like to do is come right at the base of the collarbone here, because this is where your sternocleidomastoid, this big muscle that attaches into the back of the ear, attaches at the base of the collarbone. So often what I'll do is just come to that base and then I work on opening up. So I'll just lift my neck up a little bit until I feel a pull in that muscle. I can also side bend here. And so I'll feel the tension, which kind of stops me. And that's where I'm going to that end range and then coming back through. And of course, I'll do the same thing on both sides. So as I do that, I can really feel that pull into the base of my jaw and my neck. Okay, so I'll hold that muscle there, get the mobility on top of that. And then I will come to the top of my upper traps here, and I'll do the same thing. So I will hold that muscle down and then side bend to get a nice stretch along that muscle. And I will rock in and out about 5 to 10 times until I really start to feel it open up. Okay, so you don't have to put the pressure through the muscle. I find that it just gets a little bit of a more effective stretch. And oftentimes, if I'm really feeling like a throb or tension through there, I'll just hold that and I can do a sustained stretch here. And then from there, you can put some pressure down through those upper traps and get neck circles. Okay, so I do semicircles because I don't like to compress the back of the neck there. So coming left to right there. And I'll feel some popping through there sometimes, and that's okay. And then the next thing I'll do is cross my arms across my shoulders, and I'm working on getting that mid-back opening. So I do what's called like those half circles there. So I'm opening up, keeping my low back pretty stable and engaging through the core a little bit. And I'm just trying to open up through that mid-back. So the mid-back tightness causes a lot of issues, or it can cause a lot of issues for the neck if the what's called that thoracic spine is super tight. So this is just helping to open up and mobilize that mid-back a little bit. Okay, so those are just a couple options that you can try to help open up through your jaw, your neck, and your upper traps.